Alright guys, so today we're in my 1997 Mazda Miata, and I'm just going to be taking pictures of it and going over what I have done to it. So yeah, make sure you right now you go down below, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so let's go over visibly everything that is done to the outside of my car first. So first you can see I do have aftermarket turn signals and headlights. The headlights are from just basic Amazon, and the turn signals are from Carbon Miata. If you go to the front of the car like this, you can see I do have mirror tint that is from Lumosity. I have a front lip, just basically Amazon, eBay, same deal as the headlights. I have my Carbon Kings banner that, you know, I think personally fits the car perfect. It's just neutral, black, simple. Like, you really can't get much cleaner than that. Go to my roof racks. They are Sport Rack roof racks, as you can see right there. So when you come over to this side of the car, you can see, obviously I'm on aftermarket wheels. They are ESM 002Rs, I believe. Basically just a BBS rep. Nothing too fancy going on there. I can't afford real wheels. Come down and look at my side skirts. Yes, I know they're absolutely disgusting, but I am sponsored by Street Aero, as you can see. These are actually really high quality. Like, this aluminum is really nice. Better than, and you don't get bacon fenders with these. You actually have straight fenders all the time. They don't get sun faded, nothing. It's amazing. Now the back of the car, that's my favorite. This is by far my favorite part of my car. We got the tail lights, the rear diffuser, mirror tint once again, and yeah, my green plate. And we do have the carbon fiber ducktail on the hardtop, mirror tint, obviously. Gotta go all the way around. And these taillights are once again from Carbon Miata. Very few Miata taillights. That's the one thing you cannot find aftermarket on these cars. You can find them, but there's not many options. Huge rear diffuser, as you can see. It does hurt when you hit your shin off of this edge or any one of these four. Don't ask how I know. That is from Galvanized Customs. Throw up his Instagram page right now. Really high quality part, full aluminum. Yeah, just great overall quality. So with my tint, the rear is 5%, and then everything else is 20%. And there's no need to go any darker than 20%, especially if you're gonna go all the way around. 5% is perfect in the back because, yeah, you only need to see where you're going, right? These are a nice little touch. Carbon fiber. This is actually real carbon fiber. Carbon fiber door handles. Really nice touch in my opinion. Just that subtle little bit that is needed. And now I guess we can go to the interior of the car. All right, so there isn't too much going on inside. I mean, there is a lot, but nothing crazy. Just some Takata harnesses with status bucket racing seats. Nothing crazy like custom seats or anything like that. And then I do have a Nardi quick release wheel that I absolutely love. But yeah, it's basically super simple, you know, seats, match the door cards, Takata poles. Really simple, extremely simple. Stock gauge, which I do really enjoy. Double DIN radio down there, CarPlay, Android Auto, whatever you want. Planted rails, as you can see down there. Do have the harnesses properly installed with a bar back there. I would like to get a roll cage, but it's just not right now. But yeah, it's just really simple on the interior, and that's what I like. And I feel like the green does accent, or the red does accent the green, sorry. I think it's just overall a really clean interior. All the speakers are upgraded as well, so that is really nice. And everyone asks me what's under the hood. Is there anything crazy, turbo, whatever? What do you have plans for the future? No, it's just bone stock, even stock air filter, and peace tea can. Mango. Mango is like my favorite fruit whatsoever. Mango or pineapple, but this drink is just so good. Mishimoto radiator and fans though. I mean, these Miatas are known to have cooling issues. Coolant lines go, everything go. So if you buy one, fans and radiator are an absolute must. As you can see over here, I am on Teen Flex Z coilovers. Obviously, I am on coilovers. You can see that from how low my car is, but specifically, I'm on Teen Flex Z. Well, it's hot though. I don't have AC, so it's hot. Oh man, that sky up there doesn't look too promising. Let's hope it holds out. So I guess I should first talk about this car is pretty low. I mean, obviously it's not the lowest thing on the road, but it is lower than any normal economy car. So like you have to watch where you're driving and know where you're going. Like there's some speed bumps over here where I'm going, and it's not gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna have to go to this side of the road, then come back over to the other side of the road, and it's gonna be a whole fiasco. Dude, if I hit these head on, like I am like done for. Oh yeah. Yeah, both up and down. Oh yeah, it's on coilovers, obviously. Yep. It's gotta be if it's low and bumpy. Alright, you guys ready? Gotta come all the way, hug this side. But guys, my favorite thing about my car by far is the color. Like Porsche Python green, I don't know, it's just has always, I can't say always because it just came out, but literally since the time I saw this color, I knew I needed a car in this color. And the first car I build is Python green. Jesus. Those highlights in the back are terrible. And honestly, I think the rear is the best part of my car because of this huge rear diffuser, the tail lights, like, dude, it doesn't get much better than this. Like, I could literally sit right here and just stare all day long. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. What does it look like if I climb up these stairs? It's a really good idea. Oh man, it's gonna kind of be a little crazy. Really high up here. Maybe use the stairs to frame a little bit. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Nice breezy day. It's so nice. Literally, we got a whole bunch of rain, and like now it's just cooled down to where it's like perfect temperature. All right, what can I do here? What can I do? Nah. I think that's it for on there. No parking, don't worry about it. Jesus. Oh, guys, just look at that angle. And what do you guys think? You guys think sleepy eyes, pop-ups, or no pop-ups? Mirror tint. What's your... Look at camera at literally everything. What's your opinion on the mirror tint, guys? Let me know. Gonna get rid of that cone back there. Take some up close detail now. At 35. Now we gotta move this cone. Alright, where are we putting it? Bro, better, yeah, keep going. Puts his sunglasses on like he doesn't see anything, like I'm not parked here. Right at 35, basically. Money. As seen on TV, little plug. Actually was on TV. Guys, huge rear diffuser, it's crazy. Little Pikachu, gonna get a little flick of that. Ooh, fun. Better wheel pictures like right here. Oh, perfect. Detailed down of this Dude, I literally just washed my car at the beginning of this video. And I kicked up a whole bunch of dust and dirt because I scrape. I honestly think that's pretty good for this spot. I mean, I don't know what else I can do here, but good for me. Alright, so as we're getting out of here, I guess I'll go through the story of how I decided the color for my car, because, guys, it took me forever. Like, I had everything else planned out besides what color I was gonna do. So originally, I was gonna go purple, but then I met Mazda Miata. Oh my god. I met Mazda Miata before either of our cars were like done or anything like that, and I was like, yeah, I'm thinking of painting my car purple, and he's like, no, I'm wrapping my car purple. I'm like, all right, we'll see whoever does it first. Yeah, he did it first. So from that point on, I had no clue what color I was gonna do to my car, and if I was gonna paint it or wrap it, whatever. So obviously I ended up painting it Python green, and I went through every color you could possibly think of, every color in the rainbow and out of the rainbow, until I decided on Python green. What made me decide on it is, like, 2 years prior to painting the car, I was at a show at the Aston Martin of Boston, and I had, like, accidentally found the car. I walked in to use the bathroom, and, like, the first car I saw was a 2020 Cayman GT4, and not GT4, just normal Cayman, and it, like, stopped me dead in my tracks, and I was like, what color is this, like, with the sales rep? And he's like, yeah, we actually just got that in, it's Python green. And I'm like, this color is amazing, it is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, so as soon as I thought of that moment that I walked in and saw that color, I was like, yeah, that's it, that's the color I'm going for. And, you know, I'll throw up pictures on the screen right now. It's pretty close to Python green. I've got it next to 1 or 2 Caymans, and I got it actually next to a brand new 992 GT3, which was really cool to get it next to and see. So yeah, I mean, that's how I came up with the color I did. It's just, I saw the color once, and I remembered the moment, first time seeing that color, and I knew that I wanted to see that color every day, and I wanted other people to see the color as well and spread the color, because it is truly an amazing color. All of Porsche's colors are amazing. I'm a huge Porsche guy. So yeah. Oh. Gonna get over these speed bumps. Oh, I went straight on. Oh, we're good. Alright, yeah guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go watch another one of my videos, and yeah, peace.